southern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 6:45 a.m. At 5:46 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodstown, or 12 miles east of Burlington, moving at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Oak Valley, Mystic Island, Elwood Magnolia, Atcham, Gibbsboro, Monahauken, Chislehurst, Brigantine, Pleasantville, Egg Harbor City, Swedesboro, Pine Hill, Tuckerton, Barnegat, Victory Lakes, Surf City, Wharton State Forest, Berlin, and Pomona. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 2. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 10 and 21. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 35 and 71. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 1 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Ocean, and Salem.